More news coming in at the moment. A fire broke out in HR office of domestic airport in Mumbai. 4 fire engines have been rushed to the spot. We're also getting more news of how a fire team is conducting standard SOP. Smoke also seen coming out of the office. 4 fire engines, 3 water tankers are also on the spot, according to the BMC Fire Brigade that's responded to this fire, calling it a level 2 fire at the office in domestic airport in Mumbai. My colleague Divyesh joining us on the story. Divyesh, give us some more details.
See, there was a lot of smoke that was seen coming out of the HR office in the Mumbai domestic airport, after which alert was sent and fire brigade was called in. The BMC disaster control has said that there was a lot of smoke coming out, there was suffocation, people had to rush out of their office, and after which fire brigade was called. Fire brigade has as of now sent 4 fire tenders, 3 water tankers, and the standard operating procedure contain is going on. We also spoke to the chief fire officer, Mr. Rahandale of BMC Fire Brigade. He has also said that it's a level 2 fire. There is no loss of life as of now, but the standard operating procedure to control the fire is going on.
Okay, no loss of life reported at the moment, but also, Divyesh, do we also know what was the cause of the fire as per the initial report?
As of now, it is not known. They are yet to control the fire. They are yet to control the smoke that is being emanating out of the HR office. So they are yet to find out what is the actual cause of what that caused the fire. It is suspected it might be a short circuit, but as of now, nothing is clear as such. It might only be known when the fire is completely controlled and fire brigade investigates the issue.
All right, Divyesh, thanks for joining us with those details.